And as we reported to you first, the hearing in Aryan Khan's bail plea has been adjourned till tomorrow. So Shah Rukh Khan's son will be returning from court straight back to the Arthur Road jail. Arthur Road jail, he stays another night at the Arthur Road jail. Hearing in the Aryan bail case has been adjourned. Team Aryan and his legal team had been hoping against hope that there would be some kind of breakthrough today and bail would be granted, but that is not to be. And it appears that since time has run out, with the hearing starting quite late, well past 3 p.m, the court has to shut for the day and hearing will continue only tomorrow. The bail hearing has been adjourned till tomorrow. The legal team representing the Narcotics Control Bureau says that he has a hearing to attend tomorrow morning before a division bench in the Bombay High Court, and he will take half an hour. And so it looks like it's only going to be late in the morning tomorrow when there will be a continuation of today's case. And therefore, as you know, viewer, this basically means that Aryan Khan spends another night at the Arthur Road jail. I'm going to go across to Divyesh Singh. Divyesh, this appears to have been expected. You know, with the bail hearing starting quite late in the afternoon, it provided very little time for the legal teams to wrap up their arguments, I'm guessing. So even Aryan Khan's team must have been in some ways mentally prepared for this. And now, as we had conjectured earlier, that's actually happened. It's been adjourned till tomorrow.
Shiv, it was expected that the argument won't end today. It will be continued till tomorrow, and we reported this earlier because the hearing only began after 2:45 p.m. and then there had to be arguments from three bail pleas that have been filed. 3 defense lawyers had to argue their case. After that, ASG started his argument, and he's yet to complete his argument. That is what he has informed the court. And tomorrow again, he has sought half an hour more to conclude his argument, and only after that there could be a cross, or there could be order that will be dictated by the judge of the NDPS court. It will depend on the arguments from both sides on what the judge decides on what is the order. It is yet to be decided because the ASG from appearing for ASG NSB has yet to conclude his arguments. It will take 30 minutes more tomorrow, and tomorrow at 12 noon arguments will begin again. The ASG will conclude his argument, following which the judge could dictate his order. If the order comes before lunch and the order copy, if the bail happens, only if the bail is granted and it comes before lunch and the order copy is received by the defense, they could approach the jail authorities and start the process of releasing Aryan Khan from jail. But if it delays, then there's the Dussehra holiday, and it could be delayed further. Aryan Khan would have to stay for a few more days in the jail.
So tomorrow is the day when Aryan Khan will need to get bail in order not to stay in jail until after the Dussehra weekend. That is pretty clear. Tomorrow post 11 a.m. is likely to be when the continuation takes place. We'll have to see that. We'll update our viewers, but basically no decision today. Aryan Khan stays in jail another night tonight. Thanks, Divyesh.